My name is Peter Hinton, and I am the director of All for Love by John Dryden. Part of teaching is succession. Part of it is passing on experience and skills to another generation. I don't hold this value that I know everything and that I'm going to tell you what's good or not. I like knowing how ideas respond to young people. I want to remain vital. I don't want to just be a historian and go, this is how I did it in my youth. I want to be engaged with people who are entering their adult lives. What I like about the theater is that it changes the way we see the world we live in. You know, I like thinking that when I was a student, I couldn't imagine myself sitting here. I would have gone, oh no, like I never would have thought when I went to Ryerson in 1980 or whatever, that I would be directing All for Love at the University of Alberta, which is a school I didn't get into. There you go. So I like thinking that 30 years from now, there's a theater that I currently am incapable of imagining. And that's part of the students that are here will build that theater. That's the hopeful and exciting thing about doing what I do.